Hello aspirants. Welcome back to another important topic of debate in current news. Today, let's discuss an important ISRO mission, PSLV C-62. This mission is very important for UPSC and other competitive exams. First, let us understand the basic information. PSLV C-62 was the 64th flight of India's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. It was launched by ISRO on 12 January 2026 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. It was also one of the first major space missions of the year 2026. Now let us understand why this mission was launched. Number 1. The main objective of PSLV C-62 was to place a satellite called EOS-N1, also known as Anvesha, into a sun-synchronous orbit. This satellite was built for DRDO. It is a hyperspectral Earth observation satellite which is useful for high-resolution Earth imaging, agricultural monitoring, urban mapping, border surveillance, environmental assessment. So, this satellite has both civilian and strategic importance. Number 2. It is a multi-payload mission. PSLV C-62 was not carrying only one satellite. It was a multi-payload mission with around 18 payloads from India and foreign partners. Some important payloads were IU-ISAT for satellite servicing and refueling technology, Kestrel Initial Demonstrator, a capsule for re-entry experiment, several micro and nano satellites from academic and global institutions. This shows that PSLV is a very reliable and versatile launch vehicle. Third, now comes the most special feature of this mission. It demonstrates re-entry technology. PSLV C-62 also aimed to demonstrate controlled re-entry of an experimental capsule called Kestrel Initial Demonstrator into the South Pacific Ocean. This experiment tested for heat shield performance, deceleration system, re-entry dynamics. This is very important for future space missions, especially for human spaceflight and reusable space systems. Fourth, commercial and strategic importance. PSLV C-62 was also significant for commercial space operations, being part of New Space India Limited's manifest, showcasing India's role as a global launch service provider. It intended to strengthen India's space ecosystem, enabling private entities and foreign partners to deploy technology demonstrators and experimental payloads. It shows that India is becoming a global launch service provider. Private and foreign players can use Indian rockets. It strengthens India's space ecosystem and space economy. Finally, to conclude, PSLV C-62 was important because it carried a strategic DRDO satellite EOS-N1 or Anvesha. It deployed multiple payloads. It tested re-entry technology, strengthened India's commercial space capabilities. The Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle has been India's reliable workhorse for decades. However, due to technical vulnerabilities in the third stage, PSLV C-62 met with a failure, a rare setback in its launch history. Excellent! Remember, this mission is important for GS3, science and technology, and space technology topics. In the next session, we will discuss about reasons behind the failure and its consequences.
Thank you. We meet again with a new topic soon. I request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel.